How to view your order history in Grubhub. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grubhub app on your device. Here, simply log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on Orders at the bottom. After you click on Orders at the bottom, you will find all your order history of Grubhub in here. You can click on Search Order at the top and search for the specific order as well. In my case, I don't have any, so there is no orders yet. But you can search the order restaurant name or your menu items which you ordered, and you will be able to view the whole history. And if you scroll in here, you will also find your order history in Grubhub. And this is how to view your order history in Grubhub. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.